hike. Here we go. Follow me.
All the way out.
Not the tigers in the woods today. It's a great day for a hike. What do you think, Tigers? Great day? Yeah. Turn around.
Wait a minute, what's this? What's this, guys? What do you think this is? It's a cave. Oh no, should we go in the cave? No, well, you probably shouldn't unless Akela says it's okay. Akela's going to say it's okay this time. What do you think happens in the cave? We're at the end of the tiger trail, but in order to start the trail of the wolf, you have to go through that cave. What do you think? Sounds like a good idea?
Yeah.
Who wants to go first? All right, hold on. Well, what do you think's in the cave? We'll find out, huh? I heard something. Did you hear it? Listen to him. Phoenix. It doesn't want to. What's that sound, guys? That's the call of the wolf. Now, when you guys pass through that cave, you're going to become wolves. So one at a time. Who said he was going to go first?
Me.
Oh, I think it was this guy. All right. Everybody else step back. Troy's going to go first and show you how it's done. When he comes out the other side, he's going to be a wolf. Wow, pretty cool, huh? All right, Kyle looks like he's next. One at a time, the tigers enter the cave and emerge as wolves.
Come over here. Stand with the wolf. You're a wolf.
Phoenix! Phoenix! Phoenix, get a white one. There you go.
Hold on. Hold on.
Good, Phoenix. No, Phoenix. No, Phoenix.
Who needs one yet?
All right. Phoenix, put your mask on. There you go.
Go to Mrs. Heidi.
Phoenix, go to Mrs. Hiding.
Here, Brayden. Keep that. Okay, stand this way so everybody, Mom and Dad.
Phoenix. Phoenix.
Dalton.
Hey, one by one, the tigers have emerged at the end of the tiger trail. And they're now on the trail of the wolf.
Once in a while after break, actually that's a better
Phoenix. Phoenix. Phoenix, put the mask on.
You look so good.
There you go.
Wolves, get in your pack.
Phoenix. Hey, Phoenix. What does a wolf say? Hey, put your mask on and say woo.
Stay facing your people so you're taking pictures.
Hey, turn around. Turn around so Mommy can take a picture. Phoenix. Phoenix, turn around so Mommy can take a picture. Phoenix.
Okay.
High five.
Next up,
All
we
right.
have Den
High
9
five.
and their parents for awards. Come on up for awards, Den 9 and their parents.
Phoenix, are you a wolf? Hey. Phoenix, are you a wolf? What does a wolf say? Good boy.